Oh, that's why. Now can you guys hear me? Okay. All right, so this is the orb. Basically, it's a 15-minute candle. We're looking at the cues right now. So I just look at the ES, which is the SPY. And do SPY, it's the same thing. SPY is going higher, right? So this is probably going to go higher and follow. Yeah, this is going higher. I mean, it would probably go to this pivot area at 607.62. Um, what do you guys want me to look at? Look up. There's supposed to be 10 o'clock news. PMI is coming out at 9:45. Mm. Um, I'm not familiar with PDD. I'll look it up though. Yeah, see, the Q is going to go higher. I mean, the SPY is going higher, but and then Tesla's probably going to go lower. I mean, I think that look at that rejection. Like that's insane. Um, but it's good. It's good for me if it keeps going down. I'm just going to hold it. Um, so we're looking at PDD, right? You got 140. Mm, PDD. Let me see. Mm, I mean, so let's look at the daily. Oh wow, I don't know. Um, why do you think this is going higher? Oh, that's why. Well, I guess there's a pivot. Why is it doing that shit? Um, I can see that here. It does have this gap. And it probably would go to 146. All right, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back on. Sorry about that. I just had to, I guess, take care of a little business. Um, yeah, actually, these are all the indicators here. If you want to take a snapshot of that, oh, I should put that. Um, Really, the best things to use is it's Lux Algo Orb and the Smart Money Concepts. Those are good. I like this indicator called Not a Friend or Not a Fraud. Um, Basically, look on 5 minute for dojis. Close above doji, long, close below doji, short. That's really it. I like that one. Not a fraud. It just maps out the dojis. There's nothing brilliant about it. It just does the work for you. And then I like the pivots. Look at the pivots. Pivots. It's traditional. And then I also use on Tradevate the AMA. I use the 9 and 21. Hope that helps. And for this, I really don't know what this, I mean, to me, it kind of looks like it's bull flagging, like on an hour. I look at an hour usually. So, I mean, this kind of is a bull flag if you went like this and went over and then like that, right? It's kind of it. I mean, it could go lower. I mean, there's a little gap there. It could go down to 32s. Do I have audio now? I have audio. All right, good. All right. Any other things you want to look at? Let's see. I have someone that was a trending stock, I believe, the QBTS, right? It's flying. So another thing I look at stock twits, which is basically like a Twitter for just stocks. That's it. Um, just to look at what's like you can see it on here. Like I look at what is trending. Um, Things that are trending: RUM, QCL, RGTI, Apple, QBTS. That's up almost 10%. Um, RCAT, QUBT, ASTC. I've traded that before. Wow, it's up 56%. That's a pharmaceutical one. Um, UMAC, UMAC, and Weedcoin seems to be trending. Um, so this one, QBTS, this is up a lot. Um, I mean, it could go up a little higher. I mean, it's up 10%, right? Still watching. I mean, SPY. I like to look at the futures. That's what I'm trading, futures. It's kind of flagging. Um, what other ones? Yeah, this I don't really have an opinion. I mean, it's high volume. There must be news on it. Let's look. Can't tell. Um, uh, this, I would probably actually short this because it's just up so high, right? Up so high. I mean, yeah, I would probably short the QBTS. Let me see here. I don't know. Just says not a fraud. Hmm. Is that it? I don't know. Huh. I'm not sure. Who's the? Yeah, but this is what QBTS. I mean, it looks. I would probably fade this move because it's up so high. Probably go back down to the 29 area. What do you see as a catalyst for the Qs today? I don't know. I think it's just pushing higher. Oh, nice. Tesla's going down. Beautiful. It's down in these. I didn't add to it, but I'm down 50%. Um, the Qs. So really, I just look at the Qs, Q and Q futures for QQQ. All right, we can do this side by side like that and this. Um, wow. So I told you guys about the orb, which is an opening range breakout strategy. All you do is just take a 15-minute candle. Oh, now it's going higher. All you do 15-minute range. This should be um all you do is map out the high of the 15-minute and the low, opening range high, opening range low. And we're just waiting for a close above it or below it. Um, and then you can get your price targets by taking the orb and then just multiplying it. So this is the range right here. So 50% of that would be target one. Another 50% would be target two. The full would be second target. To me, I don't know. I think it's gonna be faded. I think the Qs are gonna go lower. I'm not seeing like a follow through here. Um, but there's supposedly news at 10. I don't know how true that is, but when the news comes out, then we can see. Apple. Oh wow, I recommended Plug in the chat a while ago. I did not buy it, but it is up. Wow. Oh well. Um, I'm holding on to Neo, but I have it at like 450, I think. I just have 1,000 shares, nothing crazy. We want to look at, okay, let's look at Nvidia. Oh, Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia will move the whole market. So, I mean, what was the overnight in Nvidia? let's see. Didn't make a higher high on overnight, did it? So Nvidia is going to move the Qs. Big volume. So if you see a lot of volume and it doesn't sustain a high, volume is just transactions. It doesn't mean it's positive or negative. So I always tell people it's like if you and I are trading, like let's say we're trading cards, right? The market doesn't care if we're trading cards, and it's a higher card or a lower card. It's just a transaction. So volume is just transactions. So if there's a huge volume spike and you see it go up, like wick up, but it doesn't really move, if it's not moving up, that means there's a lot of people selling and there's just a lot of transactions. Now, if it goes down, usually if I see a volume spike and it doesn't really move higher and sustain that move higher, it's going to come down. So if there's a lot of volume you're seeing, then it's probably going to come lower. Um, it is it's kind of daily, like in an hour. Yeah, it is high. Sour isn't closed, but this we want to go regular trading. Yeah, that's I also look at Heikin Ashi candles, which is average pace. So basically, if this high volume, if this, and this looks different obviously because it's the average of it and not the actual open and close, it's the average of the open and close, it's a different formula. But if we were to go below that, right, which is the bottom of the candle, just gotta, okay, um, below that there at 188.95, it's probably gonna be bearish, right? So, oh wow. Damn, I was short on these. Down 95 bucks. Nothing crazy, but um I did want to get up here. I think we're gonna see, well, let's look now. Okay, so if we go to, so I look at, this is the service I pay for. It's called Trading Ticks, Trady Ticks. I think it's like, I can't remember how much it is. It's pretty expensive, but it's a good tool to use. This is showing, um, so puts to calls, there is, okay, now it changed. So when it's negative, that means people are selling calls. So a lot of people, I mean, you think the market's going down if you're selling calls. So 5.5 million, that's basically added to that. So it's adding to the puts. This line are the puts are higher, and it's going lower. When our convergence is negative, the market is bearish. So I look at the 0 DTE gamma exposure levels. So it's showing 670 on the SPY, which is like basically 73 cents down. On the I mean, so the red it attracts to, the green repels, meaning it's some like repelling it away. Like if it were a magnet, think of it a magnet. If you have two positive magnets, it's like you can't push them together, right? So it's pushing it off the green towards these uh, exposure, gamma exposure. So there's a lot of uh, basically bids on this from the 606 on the Qs. It's pretty thin 605, but 604, right? And then it's basically holding. So I would say I would interpret this as holding like a support at 603 and resistance at 607. So we'll probably trade within that range today. Trady ticks. Trade ticks. Okay, we got 10 a.m. news, right? Oh, wow, my Tesla. I'm still down in a Tesla. I'm down like 40. I'm down 500 bucks. I only had two contracts, nothing crazy. Um, this guy is good on Discord, these expected moves. Here, if you guys want to take a snapshot of this guy is good. I pay for this Discord, but he does all the work to map out the expected moves here. So you guys can pause this and then you basically see all of it. So this is the for October. So, Mag 7, really everything. Qs, really everything plus futures. So you guys can take a snapshot of that. Yeah, Tesla, I'm short. I I rolled my puts, but I should have bought puts at the open, but I never know with Tesla. Um, mm, hey, how's it going? Hmm, wow. It's getting oversold here. We'll probably bounce. For Tesla, when is the expiration? And what's the strike for Tesla? Tesla's looking great. I mean, for a short. I'm in puts. I'm just down in them. I think we could see for Tesla. Well, this pivot area here is right. Well, I guess that's where I marked it too. That's one. So 433.05. That's one area. But if this really gets momentum, Tesla, you could see. Uh, I think it could go down to at least um, 25 or 30. There's a lot of psychological numbers, but I drew this Tesla out because this support, support, and resistance. It literally hit right almost on a penny. What was that? 446.76, 446.75. I mean, I do have a point there. So I mean, I like Tesla for a short, especially with the orb, like rejected, high volume. I mean, I think we're Tesla would Tesla like needs a big flush. Usually like flushes really quickly and then goes right back up. So I mean, if it's zero DTE on Tesla, it's never bad to take profit. I mean, to like get used to selling, because most people will hold, be like, oh, it's going lower, it's going higher, and then it doesn't. But I mean, the direction is down. Direction is down um, for Tesla. Right now, the volume accumulation is negative 140 million. Yesterday it was in the billions. Um, so I mean, this could go even lower. Someone's selling. It could be Elon selling. I mean, this is like a real big spike before, we've probably sell off and everything, and it's all-time highs and everything else. So it could be Elon Musk selling like 1 billion shares. I don't know. Um, it's going lower. It's low. I mean, is that the low of the week? Low of the, wait, is this, when was that? When was the low? Almost, almost hit my, it's probably good to sell. The VIX is green. Mm, yeah, actually, yesterday the VIX kind of turned over. Good, one runner, amazing. Just keep it. It's always the best. Um, One thing I do on the VIX is I look for like gaps. Like this is a thin traded structure. It could go back down here and retest. VIX could retest this 1638. I had 1640 on my chart, but 1638, whatever, 1640, 2 cents off is nothing. That's when it went like bullish. Um, Kind of retested, didn't it? So, mm, yeah, Nvidia has a lot of volume. You're right. Oh, wow. That take that out? Wow. Let's look. Nvidia wicked. That's holding. Mm. So for um, Tesla, this this looks like a bear flag to me, and that's on a 1 minute. It's probably too short of a time frame, but this should keep going lower. There's the 15. Okay, finally it hit my price target on Tesla, so it's probably going to go lower. I mean, it could go to the 30s. The 30 level looks good. 430 on Tesla looks good, right? Wow, now I was down 50%. Now I'm green on Tesla. Great, up $4 on my put. I had bought these yesterday. I rolled them. Um, wow. I'm just gonna make a few bucks on this. I don't care. Okay, I'm out of my puts now. Made 100 bucks. Okay, I would get out of that runner. Yeah, well, I mean, it's okay. I mean, that I so I'm out of my Tesla now because I was down 75% at the open because I had rolled my puts from the 440s to 435s. Should take like 500 bucks out. There was only two of them. And then I was actually down in that position a lot this week. Um, I should have cut short. I even said earlier this week if Tesla goes to the 452, it can see 460, which it did. Went much higher than that. Uh, but I mean, look on a weekly. This weekly, it's bearish engulfing now. If you look on the Heikinashi, it's still, I mean, ironically, the expected move is at 410. I mean, Tesla could go, I mean, it could go to 410. It's only down 1%. Tesla can, or wait, it's down, is that today? Yeah, it's down um, 1.4%. It could be down 10%. So Tesla could go a lot lower, actually, believe it or not. Um, yeah, this looks like, well, this is on Nvidia. Hmm. Anything else you want me to look at? Mm, hmm. I would like to get out. Am I down on this now? Alright, I'm just trying to get out of. I'm fine with that. Hmm. Alright, so now I'm gonna pull up ES and Q. Mm, wow. I'm gonna go long here. Down on this account. Wow, VWAP is all the way up here on the Qs. Alright, Tesla. Alright. Well, Tesla just made a move back up. So, I mean, I'm out of my Tesla shorts. So now I'm actually long the market. I had Q puts that I'm out of. They were for Monday. I'm out of those. Now I'm long one futures contract, which it's looking good. Up $100 now. Two. Wow, now it's really pushing up. Up three. Down 100 in this account, so it needs to be. Hmm. I am in a losing position in this Misty MSTY, but it pays a dividend. I have 1,000 shares, so it paid me $1,000, but I'm down like 4 grand. But at the end of the year, it should balance out because with what I'm down for what I'll get in the dividend, it'll basically balance. But hmm, I don't know what we're doing here. I'm gonna add. Let's look at. Um, hmm, oh, this crossed over on the fives. Oh, it's not pushing up. Needs to cross over. Hmm. Tesla spiked and went right back down too. Hmm. ES is pumping. Yeah, I'm gonna add. I mean, Sell stop. Mm, for what? Fake out for what? For Tesla? I don't know. I mean, I was short on Tesla, but uh, the fact that ES is bouncing, like it could carry Tesla up a little bit, but Tesla does whatever it wants to do. I think we're probably going to go higher just because, I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is ES on the 15. What? This isn't doing anything? Like this should be trading up to here at least. Should take out this at least, right? Like this is crazy why Qs are going down. Hmm. On an hour it's holding though. That's probably why it's going down. Hmm. Down $500 in this now. Hmm. But it doesn't make sense why ES is up and this is down. Yeah. Okay, now I'm even. Hmm. Oh, okay, they just changed it. Okay, cool. Thanks. Thanks, Jimmy John. Yeah, see that not a fraud is there. It's basically it's closing right there. Hmm. I don't like this now. Damn. 50 seconds. Wanted to close up here. We just have to wait. Hmm. It's going up higher, right? It's going up higher. One, two, three. All right. Okay, closed above it. Closed above it. Now we should pump, right? What I've noticed is usually the close at the hour candle, it will reverse the move, which we're at 5 minutes till. It's a 5 minutes kind of reverse candle. Um, but should pump. This is pumping, but the NQ is not, which is weird. Just been holding this. I'm gonna make 500 for the day and I'd be happy with this account. But I'm going to sell one. Oh, I'm up. Oh, didn't. Wait, is this my other account? That one's done. Didn't do that one. Okay, I'm up in that one. Some 600. I'm up. Ah, shit. Are you seeing that? That was like one tick away. Are you kidding me? $1 away. Damn it. Damn it. $1. Hmm. I'm still up on this account, but hmm. I'm hmm. I want to add here. Yeah, I'm gonna add one more. So I added. Let's see. I'm up 5. You're gonna go higher. I mean, look at this chart. This is a 5 minute. This is a 5 minute. This doesn't even look the same. We're above VWAP, below VWAP. Hmm. So weird. Hmm. Maybe it'll rotate over here. I mean, this is going higher. Hmm. Oh, it's not good. Calls. It's a 1 minute chart. Alright, let's see. I'm up 760 bucks on this account. Good. I am set up below there. I'm happy with that. Almost up 1,000 on this account. I mean, this is just going fucking higher. Like, it's insane, that move. So, mm, so let me look here. It's looking good. Trying to push over. And that's over, clearly. That is not. Hmm. I want to add one. I don't like that. I'm gonna add, yeah. Added. That was a good ad. Alright. But I will probably take profit up here. Wow, Tesla's at 26. Wow. Damn, that's crazy. It's really low. That's insane. Wow, Tesla's at 26. What did I say? 25 would have been the low. 26.30 is the low right now. That's crazy. Wow. Good. Mm, oh, this is high. Wow. 1,000. Should take this out. There we go. Happy with that. Up 1,200. I'll move it up to here. I'm happy with that. It'll probably go up here, right? For it closed. But I'm happy. I'll be up 1,000 on it. This double up took me out. All right, $1. I mean, 1,000. That's good. Let me see Tesla. Oh yeah, Tesla did. Yeah. It's catching a bid there. See, it's going under the EMA on the. I mean, it could go all the way up to these dojis. So it could go up to 30, 31 retest. That's the EMA is at 31.15, 431. That's a huge move though. And it's really not that much volume. Look at the volume. It's like average, a little bit above. I mean, it's still, I mean, that's where I sold, or most of you sold on a put, so it doesn't matter. I think it's going to come down. Tesla could, oh, wow. Oh boy, wow. Look at that. That was my profit. Oh wow. I'm happy with that. Could still do another account. Let's see. I haven't traded this one at all today. Yeah, it would have taken me out with profit. Oh well. Um, I'm gonna wait for a pullback and then I'm gonna go long on this account. Yes, these are prop firms. I have a bunch of prop accounts. I think it's kind of makes you better because you have to take profit because there's like a trailing drawdown. So like it's better to scalp, but you can make a lot of money very quickly. Like you guys saw, I made $1,000 with you guys on stream. Wow, look at this. Are we at all-time highs on the ES? Yeah, ES all-time highs. Yeah, I can't go short on NASDAQ, even though it's like yeah, 15 minute. I want to buy like here. I mean, I might just buy it. This is where I was gonna sell it, but I might just buy it. We could come down. I mean, could come down to here. Um, but it's just like this ES is just making higher highs, right? It's probably gonna pull back though, but it's like straight up. What? It's pushing this. Hmm. Yes. Yeah, here I can. This one I like. Oh wow, that was quick. Um, one contract, I'm up already that much. Um, so here I can. This one I like. You don't have to pay an activation code or anything. and you can um the only downside is you can only take out $1,000 a week, which I mean, if you get like a $50,000 payout, you have to take 50 fucking days, I mean 50 weeks to pay out, but you can do it up to 6 accounts. I don't know. Mm. Oh, for the not a fraud. So basically, like, so I all not a fraud is just maps out dojis. That's all it's doing. See, like, this is a doji, that's a doji. All it is just like literally marking a doji, which a doji, if you don't know about Japanese candlesticks, dojis, all that is just an indecision candle where there's equal, basically the same amount. People like don't know. It's like a tug of war. So like if you I mean, candles are, up and down, but if I were horizontal, if we're going back and forth, and like here's the middle, you're right in the middle, right? It's an indecision. So all it is doing is marking these indecision candles, which it'll probably retest back after you go above an indecision candle, then it would be bullish. If you're below it, then it would be bearish because you're closing wherever you're closing on a 5 minute. So like if we go back here, um, so this marked dojis closed above, then it retests. So then that becomes support, retest, close, doji, doji, and then big boner candle up. No, I mean it could come back. I mean, could come back down to here. Really, it could. Um, and retest. Needs to go back down. I want to keep buying this though. Um, yeah, what's going on? Okay. I don't think they're gonna be concerned. Yeah, but that's what. Yeah. So he was using ChatGPT. I'm like, this is a chat. He kept giving me these like response. He's giving me the responses. I'm like, this is a ChatGPT response. It's not it. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Hmm. Let's look. So this is not crossed over yet. This is over. Mm, yeah, I don't think it's gonna read. I mean, I don't know. It just keeps going higher. I hope that helped. Did that help? Explain. Mm, I'm gonna get out here. Made like 80 bucks, 75 bucks. Why is it not? So I also use a smart money concepts. It's a little more confusing to use. Um, it's actually a lot more confusing to use. Um, so, so I just put all these on the Lux Algo, not a Lux Algo indicator. Um, I'm just gonna wait. These fair value gaps is basically a price discrepancy. So when it pushes up very quickly, these orders didn't get filled. So in theory, it should come back down to 50%. That's what that line is, 50% of the range. But I think it's going to push down. It's kind of like consolidating. Super surprised that this is at the all-time high. And so you watch the 5 minute, and then when you are in a trade, drop down to the 1 minute. Um, yeah, I kind of look at the one. Well, also I'm looking at for entries. This line is a what is it? An 8 EMA or 9 EMA? I think it's eight. So technically it'll go. I think it's a 9 EMA. 9 and the 21 I use on. This is probably easier. So that's a 21 EMA, and that's the 9. Use this is a 5 minute, so usually I'll wait for a retest. This is odd because the ES, which is a SPY, is much higher. It's not 5 minute. Looks like a totally different chart. Usually they follow together, which means I will probably, like this is a copy trading account, so I'll probably go long here. Quantity of two. This is on Apex. These are not funded yet, but I don't know if you can hear that order failed, but it retested that EMA, the 9. Um, you can do it to the 1 minute, which is testing that. Kind of looking like it's going to come up over. Hmm. It's probably going to come test down here. Yeah, let me exit this. Mm, so now it's two on each account, so two and two. Um, it's testing that. Mm. So we're 1050 to 1110 is kind of like the macro. But I think here would be a good idea to get long. I mean, we're retesting. These are not funded accounts, so these are like, mm, oh, there it hit where I wanted to go, right? So I get long there. I need to get out of. Contract. Wait. Oh, I didn't do this, did I? Hmm. Oh, I didn't trade this one yet. Okay. Mm, I should just exit here, right? Why am I down in this? Hmm. This looks like it's bull flagging here now. I'm just gonna exit here. This account, 200 bucks. Um, these two accounts, threes, that's under six. I just can't focus on trading this many accounts. Hmm. This one's done. Wait, I should probably just trade this one for 100 bucks. Mm, so this is so one, two, three. All right, so 836.96. 1,016. This is 203.48. This one is 826.20. 836.96. 1016.64 plus 203. It's not bad. For these prop firms, 2000, oh, 5708. All right, it's not bad. You can copy trade these. I just do not feel comfortable copy trading. I've blown up hundreds of accounts doing that, just because it's very easy to go boom, 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 boom. And just instead of losing one account, you lose six. I've lost 20 accounts in one shot, which sucks. And then you trade on tilt, so I'd rather trade one. Um, yeah. Wow. Look at Tesla. Tesla hit that 25 level I said, right? I said it could probably retest to the 425 level, and it did. But I'm out of it. I mean, I'm happy. I got green. I'm glad I got out of my Q puts because now it's raging. So, so probably gonna be done trading today, just because I mean I'm up basically a little over 2 grand. Um, it's Friday, which I hate trading on Friday. You know, on Friday you can blow up an account or trade terribly, and then that ruins your whole weekend because you ruminate basically Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday you're trading at a loss. It doesn't make sense. So, any other questions? It's just not. It's getting rejected off of the VWAP. Good job. Amazing. My friend made $12,000. Great. Amazing. Mm, PLTR. Palantir. Oh, wow. Anything else? Hmm, nice. Mm, all right, let's see. 1 hour open. Yeah, I'm gonna be done trading today. I'm gonna go long just for a little. This dotted line is yesterday's close, D25, 110. Hmm. Oh, this is my other account, so yeah. But this is probably gonna. Mm. Oh, wow. Should have gotten out of this, but. Mm. Mm. Now it's looking bearish. Touching that, right? Is this a five? Wow, it's a five. Is this a five too? Wow, totally, looks totally different chart. Hmm. This gets at all. I'm just gonna get out here. Trade. Damn, I want to get out of this. I could just get out of it. Hmm. Now this is going down, right? Just touching that EMA. It's rejecting from that, but I should just get out, right? Mm, mm, mm. Close below that. Still think this is gonna push up very quickly. Still holding the EMA. I'm just gonna just get that. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's like 300 bucks. It's fine. Is there anything I have there? No, right? I'm happy with that. I'm done. A few extra bucks. All right, so I'm gonna go. If anyone has anything else for me to look at, please let me know. I'm gonna go. Please like, please follow. Thank you. Hopefully you made money today. I made some money today. Everybody, I hope you guys are happy. And I hope I added some value. But I'll see you guys.